of you, and congratulations to all the students who have got selected for interview call in IOCL. You know, IOCL this year has come out with the bumper crop. That is what I can say, bumper interview calls for all of you. As per my information, even very less score 50 gate score पे भी call आया है in electrical and all. इसके दो तीन reason हैं. Reason number one, we are expecting more number of selections because last 2 years से COVID के चलते selections less students were less recruitment was done. Second is expansion mode of IOCL, and third is apprentice का जो job ये साथ में निकाल रहे हैं. Many students are thinking that apprentice may not be permanent or something, but they mentioned that they can make that permanent later on. So take it also that also seriously. Now, as far as the preparation strategy of IOCL is coming, you consider 1 month in your mind. Students are asking कितना time है? 1 month मान के चलो. 1 month में तुम्हें 3 चीज की तैयारी करनी है. You have to prepare 3 things. Number 1, HR. Number 2, technical. Number 3, GD, GT. HR में you should have some 200 to 300 questions with you on a copy. You should have 200 to 300 questions in your copy where you are to basically answer all those questions. Whatever questions are you are going to write, you have to answer those questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know all sort of questions you have to write in your copy. The more the questions you will write, better you will be prepared. Because in the real interview, he will ask you questions somewhere from there. Keep watching the HRs of the students which your PDA is, your PDA is uploading on the YouTube channels. उनके HR questions लिखते रहो, questions related to you and questions related to IOCL. Visit the website of IOCL, read the document provided by YourPedia, and prepare those questions. As far as the technical is concerned, you know, earlier there used to be favorite technical subjects. But recently what we have observed is, like in the interview, they are asking questions from anywhere. All the subjects you have to prepare a little bit. There will be some favorite subjects, which obviously mentors of YourPedia will tell you. And then you have to prepare a little bit about all the subjects. So keep preparing those subjects. And again, for that, refer the, many of the snaps and many of the mocks which we have uploaded on new YouTube channel. Please keep listening to that also. वहां से भी आपके questions बन जाएगा. So second copy में वो technical questions लिखो. And you know, PSUs के interviews में it is 50% HR, 50% technical questions. And they don't ask questions in much depth. And normally they tend to ask you questions related to the PSU working. So that also is very, very important domain to be covered. Now, third thing which you have to prepare is GD and GT, group discussion and group task. That is the third thing you have to prepare. Now, group discussion में there are 50 to 100 topics which are current topics which you have to prepare. Your PDF panel पे वो सारे 100 topics को go through करो and videos, पढ़े short videos, start listening to that and start writing the information. Whatever current topics are there, like what is happening in now Afghanistan, what is the Taliban overtake of Afghanistan, how it is relevant for India, or whatever current issues are going on, right? So please prepare those topics. And as far as the GT is concerned, that is a case study. YourPedia has already uploaded last year also many case studies. So a case study is given to you, problem is given to you, and you have to find the approach. So if you listen to those videos, you will also find how you have to proceed forward. In my opinion, if only 1 month is left, you need to prepare really nicely. It's a great opportunity. One more thing I want to tell you, for those students who are at the border, let's say 65 is the cutoff and your marks are 65 point something. Don't get disheartened. Probability of selection is there. Now let's assume there is no probability. Mathematically, let's assume probability of selection is 0. Then why IOCL will even call you, shortlist you, and waste their time? So that means there is a probability. And on the basis of my experience, past experiences, let me tell you, students with very at the border, border in the written exam, they pass this exam, and the students scoring high in the written exam fail the interview stage. And group discussion, group task is the elimination round, and that means if you don't speak, if you don't talk, they may eliminate you. And the value of group discussion, group task will be there. Why? Because huge number of people they've called that reflects that elimination round will be there, and they are recruiting people for marketing stuff. So for that, communication is very, very important domain, right? Prepare well, and YourPedia will help you as much as possible. You can seek the special preparation module of YourPedia. It is really very effective. Prepare with the mentors and ensure your success. Thank you and all the very best.